In this video, we are going to fix 0x800704cf Windows network error in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to change the adapter settings. So how you can do that, at the search box, please type for panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'll see a best match, which is a control panel system, where here you need to navigate to the right side and click on this open option to proceed. Once you have opened the control panel, you need to change the view like this first. So navigate to the view by, click on this down arrow key, and change it into large icons. Once done, you need to find for network and sharing center. In my case, it is being placed here at the third column next to indexing options. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see this option. Please proceed to change adapter settings at the left pane and click on that one. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open another window where you can see the network connections. So just proceed to your network adapter. So if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, then select on this one. And on the other hand, if you are connected to network cable, then you can select that one. So make a right click and then you need to proceed to properties. Then once you have bring up the Wi-Fi properties, you need to uncheck this client for Microsoft Networks and then click on OK button. Okay? And once done, you need to close the window and see if the solution has fixed your problem. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second solution. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay? So before I proceed to the second solution, I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, this one, you need to navigate to the search box and this time, please type for CMD. Once done typing, you'll see a best match which is a command prompt. You need to proceed here at the right side and click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, just click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So here, you need to paste this command one by one and not as a whole. So please proceed to typing for this ipconfig space forward slash flushdns. Copy and paste it here. So make a right click and then you need to paste it or simply type for it. Click on the enter key in your keyboard, and once you have successfully flashed the DNS resolver cached, proceed by typing or pasting this nbtstat space hyphen rr, then paste it here, then proceed to the third netsh space int space ip reset. Then you need to paste it here and proceed to the last, which is netsh space winsock space reset, and then click on the enter key in your keyboard. Once you are done with all of this four commands, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if this solution has fixed your problem. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the third and last solution, and that is you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and find for device manager. Now click on it. Once you click on it, you will be able to open the device manager window. Okay, we're here. You need to proceed to network adapters. While selecting it, please click on view and please go with show hidden devices. Once done, you need to click on this forward arrow key here and please select your network adapter or your network device. Then make a right click and click on uninstall device. Once you click on it, just restart your computer or simply navigate here at the action and go with scan for hardware changes. The moment you do it, you'd be able to reinstall that specific network device or adapter again. In that way, you'll see if the problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think those solutions had helped you a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.